Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula Hair, and I will be showcasing a kinky curly unit today. This one is in the length 24 inches and is 130% in density. I want to show you guys what this unit is looking like straight out of the box. That is the curl pattern, and the ends are looking nice so far, but we'll see what they look like once I wash it. This is the cap construction. You get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and that is a 13x4 lace frontal area. Now, I did go ahead and wash my unit using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. I also did go in and bleach my knots a little and then pluck around the hairline a bit more, even though this does come pre-plucked. And I'm just going ahead and placing this on. And the lace is not too long on the sides of my ear, so I'm not going to have to worry about cutting too much of that off. It is very, very big. I think this is going to be perfect, especially for the fall and winter time. You guys see that? Yes. And the finger coils came out looking really good in the front for me not to do them all the way. This hairline is looking good. I did not pluck out too much hair, but just enough to my liking. And then that parting space and the bleach job took very well. And I'm going to turn around and show you guys how full this hair is. 130%. Oh, they were being really, really generous with this. But guys, make sure you stay tuned till the end to hear my final thoughts on this unit. If you are looking for some big curly fall hair, then you definitely want to check this out because this little mama is definitely thick. I use my olive oil mousse to define the curls. I like to use this because it's $6.99. I have tried other mousses, but I'm like $13–14. And I don't know. This one definitely gets the job done. And of course, it leaves a nice sheen to it. And it also helps to tame any frizziness. So that's always my go-to. I did section off my hair and I wet it and then I put the mousse on and then I use my detangling brush. And I had to work in sections because as you can see, this hair is very big. This hair did take a while to dry down. Now, I do feel like it's 100% dry only because I was outside. I had to take the dogs out and then I did eat lunch. But I used the diffuser to help kind of speed up the process, especially in the front area and right back here in the nape area because I didn't want that feeling wet on my neck. So if you plan on diffusing this, you definitely are going to have some patience. You are trying to get it to 100%. Other than that, I will style this on the mannequin head, sit this outside when it's sunny so that it can dry down really quick. I do want to talk about this spritz. This is my first time trying spritz on my units, and I seen a couple of people use this on TikTok, so I was like, you know what, I want to try that out, especially because I do love to rock my units glueless. I really prefer to do that over rocking adhesive. However, sometimes I do want to just kind of lay it down right in the front. I want that lace to be, you know, melted in without having to worry about spraying too much stuff. There were some errors, of course, when I used it, because I was trying to like spray all over the frontal area and then thinking I could just blow dry real quick, and that wasn't working out at all. I had to work in sections, so I had to go back through this section and spray more, and then just focus on this section and then move to the other one, versus when I use my Even New York spray, I can just kind of spray all around and it dries down quick. Also, with me trying to spray it all around the frontal, it was running, so I had to get my towel and just kind of blot around my face so that it wouldn't run down. So I just suggest working in sections with this, or just focus on the area that you are needing to get laid down. I do want to use this a few more times just before I give my final verdict. I want to make sure that it is not going to break me out, because my skin is sensitive, so I have to be really careful about what products that I am using on my skin. That a little bit more in the next couple of videos. Yes, I'm pretty sure it's an old technique, but it's just new to me, so that's why I'm trying it out. Space on this is nice and open. Now this is only 13 by 4, so you get more parting in the middle, versus if you part it on the side, you do lose some parting space. And tangling goes, I did receive some shedding during the styling process, and I also received a little bit after I washed the unit, but I also did go in and pluck around the hairline. Yes, it does come pre-plucked, but I needed it to look a little bit more natural, so that's why I plucked out more. Tangles, I am pretty sure this is going to start to tangle up in the nape area, especially because of this density. Like, I just don't see it not happening. However, with my Kinky curly units, I do not like to run my fingers through the hair at all. It's not like I'm all day doing this, so I really try to leave it alone. I am wearing Kinky curly hair and it does start to tangle or mat up in the back. Then I just kind of refresh it throughout the week a few times so that it doesn't dry out and get too bad when it is time for wash day. Not a lot of frizziness going on. Not a lot of flyaways at the top of this unit, which I am happy about. And the ends of this hair look very nice and full. I did have to end up going in and cutting down a few of them that were just a little bit too long. But if you're preparing for fall, yeah, you might want to check this one out. It's going to be more on the higher maintenance side, so just keep that in mind. Bye guys.